Could a simple spice from your kitchen cabinet be the secret to pain relief? That's the big question we'll answer today. Hi, and welcome to Living Healthy Today, the channel where we bring you science-backed tips for a healthier life. If you've been hearing about turmeric as a miracle remedy for pain, you're not alone. It's been used for centuries, but does it really work? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know the truth about turmeric, what the science says, and how to use it effectively, or if you should even bother trying it at all. Turmeric, also known as the golden spice, comes from the root of the curcumin plant. It's a staple in Indian cuisine and has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. But turmeric isn't just about adding color and flavor to your food. It's packed with a powerful compound called curcumin. This is the ingredient responsible for turmeric's bright yellow hue, and more importantly, its potential health benefits. Curcumin is believed to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which is why it's often recommended for managing pain caused by conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, or chronic inflammation. But how does it really work? And does it live up to the hype? So, what makes curcumin effective against pain? Scientists have discovered that curcumin blocks certain enzymes and proteins in the body that trigger inflammation. Think of it as nature's way of cooling down the fire that causes swelling and discomfort. In fact, studies show that curcumin may reduce pain as effectively as over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects like stomach irritation. One study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that curcumin helped reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis just as well as ibuprofen. But here's the catch. Turmeric naturally has low bioavailability, meaning your body doesn't absorb it very well. That's why many supplements pair it with black pepper extract, or piperine, to enhance absorption by up to 2,000%. However, turmeric isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Its effects depend on the dose, the form you take, and your body's unique response. So, what's the best way to use turmeric for pain relief? There are many ways to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. The most popular methods include taking it as a capsule, brewing it into a tea, or adding it to your meals. Some people swear by golden milk, a warm drink made with turmeric, milk, and spices like cinnamon. For supplements, studies suggest taking 500 to 2,000 milligrams of curcumin per day for pain relief. But make sure you choose a supplement that includes piperine or a similar absorption enhancer. A quick caution: turmeric is generally safe, but it's not for everyone. It can interact with medications like blood thinners and may cause mild digestive issues in some people. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Take Sarah, for example, a 52-year-old with arthritis. After incorporating a daily turmeric supplement, she noticed a significant reduction in her joint pain within a few weeks. On the other hand, Jake, a runner recovering from an injury, didn't feel much of a difference and ultimately decided to stick with traditional treatments. This goes to show that results can vary. While turmeric has helped many, it's not a miracle cure, and it works best as part of a balanced lifestyle, alongside other treatments recommended by healthcare professionals. So does turmeric really work for pain relief? The answer is, it can, but it depends on how you use it and what you're treating. Science supports its anti-inflammatory benefits, but it's not a quick fix. For best results, combine it with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and any treatments your doctor recommends. Have you tried turmeric for pain relief? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on natural health solutions. Thanks for watching Living Healthy Today, and we'll see you in the next video.